Hey y'all, hey, thank you so much for clicking on this video today. If you are new here, my name is Denise, and yes, if you feel like you think that I'm sitting in my master closet, then you would be correct. I am sitting in my master closet because it feels like this is the only place I can be inside the home where I don't feel like my neighbors can hear me talking. Because it's in the wee hours of the night. It's probably like 1:30 right now, and I don't really want to wake anybody with the sound of my voice. But anyway, so I'm in my closet talking to you guys because I just feel like I can't get anything done. If you watched my previous video, then you already know that Luke cracked his ribs, and so he's home. He's healing up. He still has his good days and his bad days, but so he's not working right now, and Lucas is home and Logan is home, so we're all here. And it's just been very difficult for me to just find and dedicate time to creating content, but I do have an update for you guys because a lot has happened. For today's video, I'm going to be talking about the new counter stools that I got for the kitchen. I ordered a recliner. We got the kitchen table. We got a TV stand. And I think that's all the things that I want to cover in this home update for you guys. But anyway, so first things first, the kitchen counter stools. I love them. I found them on Wayfair. I'll have them linked in the description box, and I do believe that it's going to be an affiliate link because I do have a like to know it profile. So if you don't want to click the link and you don't want to support, you know, me receiving a commission, if you like the counter stools as well and you want to purchase them, you can use my link and I'll get a commission, but don't feel pressure to do it. Just search whatever I type in on Wayfair, and then you don't have to worry about that. But anyway, I'll insert some pictures for you guys because the footage that I took of the counter stools, it got deleted somehow. But anyway, I love these chairs. I think that they look good in the kitchen. It doesn't make the kitchen look too overdone. They just fit just right. So let me know down in the comments what you guys think of the counter stools for the island. And another reason why I got them was because on every side of the stool there's like a foot bar, and it's so easy for the kids to get up on the counter stool and use it, and they have backs to them. And I never really liked the stools that we had in our previous house at the island because there was no backs on those little stools, and there was a few times where Logan almost like fell backwards. So I wanted to make sure that this time I had backs on the stools for the kids, and they're supposed to be easy to clean as far as the fabric that I chose for the seat. So yeah, let me know what you think of my choice about the stools. And the next thing that I got was a recliner for Luke because the previous chair, he loves it. Like, it was this leather dual recliner sofa and he loved it. I hated it. It had to go. So I did want to replace it with something that he would still enjoy. So I got this recliner off of Walmart. I finally told him that I got it out of the nursery section of Walmart online, and we put it together. I'm going to insert some footage of that because it wasn't hard. Excuse me, I burped. It wasn't hard. It was just, anyway, I'm going to insert some footage of us trying to put it together.
All of those years that passed us by, all of those tears we both have cried, I really miss to seeing you smile. I blame myself, although I tried, I tried. Even if I
Yeah, so he likes it, he loves it, the kids love it. It does swivel, so we're a little bit on the edge with that because they really love to spin it around, but we're working that all out because we did get our new couch, but that'll be in the next update. I don't want these updates to be too long to where y'all are like not wanting to come back for more content. But anyway, so what's next? We got our kitchen table, which I ordered it from Home Depot because you can get a lot of their furniture unfinished, because I wanted to do what I wanted to do with it. So I got the kitchen table raw, and I also ordered a coffee table also from Home Depot raw, and I'll have that linked in the description box as well. I'll try to link as many items that I've talked to you guys about in this video so you have easy access to shop them. So I haven't done anything with the table yet. Hopefully we can go to Lowe's to find, I really just want to do like maybe like a whitewashing of it. I don't want to stain it really because I got a certain color of dining chairs, which should be here on Saturday. The next home update should be chef's kisses, because the good stuff has finally arrived. And anyway, so make sure you are subscribed with the notification bell turned on. Hopefully I won't be in the closet next time. But anyway, let's move on. So I did. Okay, so the next thing that we got was the TV stand for the TV, because in our living room we have a fireplace now, which is nice and lovely. It's a corner, it sits cornered, so it's kind of awkward, and I was having trouble with how I wanted to style it. So right now we have our TV up on top of it, but we knew that we didn't want it up there because we have a lot of, we stream a lot of stuff, a lot of subscriptions. We all stream stuff, but we have problems with our Fire Stick remote a lot of the time. So we have to use his Xbox, which he plays Xbox games anyway. So we had to take that in consideration as far as like, where are we going to store all of these huge boxes? You got the Xbox, you got the Wi-Fi box, some other black box down there. I don't do technology that well, so I don't know what all that stuff is, but we needed somewhere to house it all, so we got a TV stand. And y'all, we went to Ikea for the first time. I'm gonna insert footage, but y'all, I have been waiting for the day where I could go to Ikea for the first time, because you see all these little videos on YouTube and people are going in there, and you just see, and it looks so grand, and I'm like, I gotta go. I got to get inside one of these stores. So we went, and I'm gonna insert the footage, and then I'm gonna let y'all know how I really feel about my experience at the Ikea.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love me?
Okay, so we went to Ikea for a dresser, because I'm gonna put a dresser in this bedroom, and I'm gonna put our TV on top of that. But I also needed it to double as storage, so I was like, well, let me find a dresser that I could put my TV on, and also I needed more space because this closet is like not even half the size. It could be half the size of our old closet, which we had a huge closet in our old house. But yeah, so I just needed more storage space. But when we got there, y'all, I checked online. It was 3:43 in the morning, and they still had the dresser that I wanted in white. They still had it. So we got there, like, it took us 45 minutes to get there. I was about to say, girl, when I got there, it wasn't none there. There was just the brown color, and I wasn't wanting to do brown because I needed to break up the color. I won't go into all that detail. That'll be in the next video. So anyway, it wasn't there, so we just moved on. The lady gave me a number to call or go online and do a notify me, which is what I did. And I ordered one 4 days ago, and it came 2 days ago. So in the next video, y'all get to see that. But anyway, so while we was at the Ikea, we just went ahead and was browsing around after we figured out how the store worked, because there's like food court in there. There's like the little displays upstairs on the escalator. Girl, there was an escalator in the store. Mind blown. But anyway, we got the TV stand. We bought it home. We put it together. I like it. I just didn't know that the knobs on it will be gray. I don't really like that, so I may replace the knobs. But Luke and Lucas put it together, and they had so much fun doing it. It was very much a sweet father and son moment. I was sitting in the chair watching or playing with Logan, and it was just so sweet to see them just being happy together. So yeah, so we did that. Like I said, I'm going to change out the knobs. I'm probably going to do like a brass or some type of gold. So yeah, that is as far as we have gotten as with new home stuff. In my next update, there's so much that I do have in the home, but it's unpackaged. Like, it's so many packages coming. Like, it's a very joyful time over here. It feels like Christmas, but like Luke is so over it. Every time we go outside, there's a package from Amazon. They taking all my money, but it's like, anyway, I probably will do an Amazon haul. Yeah, so y'all just make sure you have your notification bell turned on, because the content is coming. It's just, I have it. I just have to edit it and get it out for you guys. Like I said, it's just been difficult to find the time to just do what I was used to doing, since all of our schedules have now become one as of late. But anyway, that's it for the home update. Ikea, did I enjoy it? I did, but I don't think I will go back with the kids because it was a lot. I didn't get to really explore like I wanted to. So I think that maybe if BB, which that's what we call the kids' grandma, if she could keep the kids, maybe one afternoon we can go back and look, because there was a lot of stuff there, y'all. Oh my god, if you live near an Ikea and you can get in stores and shop, I encourage you to do it at least once or twice. But I do still encourage ordering large pieces of furniture online, because that's what we had to do, because it wasn't going to fit in our car or in my trunk or whatever. Yeah, so I would definitely shop in person in Ikea, but I would still also use their services online. But anyway, before I go, I just want you guys to know that we have been adjusting since we moved in this house. I feel like I didn't really get to talk to you guys in my first video because it was a voiceover and I was talking really low because, like I said, I'm very conscious of the fact that I now share walls with other people, and I'm very conscious of the amount of noise we make and how loud I talk. So it's this talking to you guys has been really nice. I think I'm up to 15 minutes. I didn't want to make this video too long, but let me know, do y'all like longer videos? I'm not really sure. I just don't want I would appreciate if you guys watch the videos to the end, because it really helps the channel out. And I still have goals for this channel. I'm trying to get back on track, but I have really just been enjoying spending a lot of time with the family, because if you don't know this, Luke was working as the executive chef for what, 7 years, and he was working about 6 days a week, a lot of times 7 days a week, sometimes 80 hours a week. And we really didn't get to see each other, as far as like, especially holidays and stuff like that, Mother's Day, Christmas, anything special where you think you'd spend family time, he was always at work. So we just really been enjoying like his company, and it's been fun. Although he is still in a lot of pain, he tries to make sure that he's playing with the kids and everything. But yeah, the kids are adjusting well. I'm adjusting well. I have yet to go to a Target, and y'all, your girl is burning to get there. So hopefully tomorrow I can go, because I just want to go to that Target dollar spot. I just have to see what the Target in this area looks like, because I done told y'all the Walmart blew me away. And y'all probably think I'm crazy for saying it, but I was so impressed. Like, it was so massive. Like, the garden section at the Walmart where I'm at now looked like Lowe's, and they ain't never looked like that where we came from. So anyway, I am a true tourist now. I'm trying to become a resident here. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions about any of the products or any of the links, anything that I talked about in this video, please ask me down in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer any and all questions. Like I said, the next home update should be covering the rugs in the living room, the rug that I got for the dining room, the new sofa that we got. Y'all, that new sofa, dreamy. What else? The coffee table, probably some DIY projects. Anyways, if you enjoyed today's video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new here. Turn on that notification bell so you never miss any of my future home updates. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.